I will demonstrate how to customize and print your label on SlabWare. The first page you will see is this one. Let's create a new label by hitting the button Add New. You can create two types of labels, the standard label or the zebra label. Insert the name of the label you're creating. To change from standard to zebra, simply click on this toggle. For this tutorial, I will create the standard one. Click Create. After that, I'll fill in the label information on this screen. I have a better view of how it'll be printed if I click this preview button. Here, the width is in pixels, but you can change it to inches. I will set the width to 420 with 4 columns. Using this eye icon, you can see the 4 columns and how they are divided. You can increase the number of columns up to a maximum of 6, but I will leave it at 4 columns. In the plus section, you can add information to the label. Here you have 3 types of information: company details, bundle details, and free text where you can write anything you want. I will start with the bundle. Inside the bundle, there are details which include this information and also the QR code. I will start with the QR code and set its height to 60 pixels. Here is the color, this is the top spacing, and this is the left spacing. Here I set its width, whether it will occupy 1 or 2 columns, I will leave it at 1 column. In the content section, I have the text color, font size, and style. But for the QR code, I will only set the height. Next, I will add other bundle information. I want to include the material and composition details. The same explanations for the QR code apply here. Height, which I will set to 20. I will keep the color white, make it bold, and set the font size to 12. I want it to occupy 2 columns and then click Save. It looks like this. By clicking it again, I can duplicate it instead of creating a new one from scratch. I can use this arrow to clear the fields and add other details. I will add quality, thickness, and location, and after that, I will remove the bold formatting. Next, I will duplicate again and clear this field. This checkbox ensures that when you click on information, it comes with the name of that information first because the system information is pre-filled. Save it. It looks like this. Now, I will add the company information, including a logo, and set the cell height to 50. I will define that it will occupy 1 column to fill the last column I have. You can move it anywhere you want. It will be placed here. Now, I will add the free text information where you can write anything. I will set its width to 4 so it occupies all 4 columns and a height of 30 pixels. I will choose a color to make it more visible. I want it bold and in this style, with a font size of 14. It looks like this. You can customize it as you wish. I will change it back to white and save it. If you want, you can also delete the information in this cell. If you click here, you can add it again. Click Save. After this, you can click here to see how the label will be printed. To print your label on the standard version, let's see if everything is set up to print. Here you can modify the quantity of columns, row gap, column gap, horizontal and vertical margins. If you look here, you can see that the labels overflowed their margin. Pay attention to this. If any element crosses this square, it won't be printed. Once you configure the settings to suit you best, hit Save. After that, the system will be ready to generate a PDF test print for your visualization. A new page will open. If you approve the final result, click here to print your label. Back on the label editing page, you will now see how the Zebra preview works. If you switch to Zebra, go to Preview, it will copy the information and a new page will open. Paste it here to check your details. If the QR code is too large, you can return and set its size here. I will set it to 2 and click Save. You need to copy the code again into the new tab and click Redraw to see the updated version. To print your label directly from a bundle, you need to go to List of Slabs. Click on More Filters and select one or more options as desired. Then, click on Apply Filters. This way, the system will show only the slabs you want to label. Check if your label printer is set as the default. If you are in doubt, you can simply return to this page and check it yourself. Here I can see that the label I wanted is set as default. Return to List of Slabs. The previous filter stays active until you clear it. Click on Print Label right here, and you are ready to print. A new page will automatically open. To print, you have to click on this blue button as shown before. These are the new label information features.